The last months of the year are often peak times for car buying as dealerships and manufacturers alike aim to close out the year with strong sales. However, as potential buyers are evaluating potential makes and models, they should also be thinking about their car insurance coverage. So joining us from Travelers with insights on what you need to consider is Katie Ekstrom, Assistant Vice President of Auto Product Development and Personal Insurance at Travelers. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
As we approach the peak car buying season, what are the most important factors consumers should consider when choosing a car insurance policy?
Whether you're buying a new car or simply looking to review your existing policy, two important factors to consider include the coverage and the price. There's a lot of things to navigate, so as you go on this journey, you can work with an independent agent to make sure you're getting the right coverage at the right price for you.
So what are your tips to help consumers become insurance savvy?
I've got two tips for insurance consumers today. The first tip, when in doubt, ask questions. Ask your agent, ask friends and family. Just simply ask questions if you want to understand something more. The second tip is learn the lingo. Understanding the terminology used in the insurance buying process can help you feel more confident. One term that I'll share with you today that you'll hear in this process is deductible. Deductible represents the amount of out-of-pocket expense that a consumer is responsible for in the event of a covered loss before the insurance kicks in.
And can you explain the different types of car insurance coverage available and how they protect drivers in various different situations?
Absolutely. There's a lot of different coverages. Three main coverages that most consumers are going to want to have in their policy include liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Liability coverage helps drivers in the event that they're at fault for an accident and will pay out for damages to someone else's property or their medical expenses. Collision coverage is for you in the event that your vehicle is damaged in a collision regardless of fault. But we know not all damage to vehicles is the result of a collision. That's where comprehensive coverage comes into play to cover things like theft, vandalism, or damage to your vehicle in the event of a natural disaster or weather.
What resources do you recommend to customers who are buying a new car or looking to review their insurance coverage?
We recommend starting by doing some research, but if you're looking for expert advice on how to get the right policy for you, reach out to a local independent agent.
And where can someone go for more information?
For more information, you can visit travelers.com. And if you're looking to get the process started with an agent, simply visit agent.travelers.com to find a local agent in your area.
Katie, thank you so much for coming in today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.